welcome back to the channel, and here we are again. We're looking this time at MARK. Now, from Friday, we're coming down with this one by about 2.26%. What we're talking about in this video is what does this mean for the stock? What does it mean for us going forwards? And as always, remember, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. It's only my personal opinion. But as I said, in this video, I am here to share my personal opinion. So if you may enjoy it, make sure to, of course, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. But again, remember, do not follow me as it is only my personal views. Now also, I must remind you guys that we do have a Patreon. A lot of the content on here is completely for free. You can view a lot of it in the link in the description for free. You do not need to sign up, but it is where we're going to be publishing a lot of articles from now. So if you want to see any of that stuff for free, the link is in the description. Now we're going to dive in and we're going to have a look at the price over the past couple of days and over the past couple of weeks. Because what we need to do now is zoom out, get the general trend, and then look at where we could be going in the future for this one. So on the 1 day, as I mentioned, things are falling down by about 2.26%. You'll see the trend throughout the day open up on 133, so I'm guessing that we had a very weak after hours going into Friday, I should say, giving us weak pre-hours as well. So of course we've seen a drop on open, gap down, and then from there we're climbing up a little bit, hitting our high up here. This was at about 10.23, and you'll see this high was at a price of 130.08. Now from there we're dipping again, we're hitting our bottom, which appeared to be down here at the 127 mark, bouncing off that, coming back up all the way up to this point here at about 130, and again from there coming down to 128 before going up to 130 and ultimately finishing there at the end of day. So not too bad. Yes, it's another day in the red, and I think when we zoom out to the past 5 day and to the past month, yes, it does start to matter. Now on the past 5 day, you'll see things are coming down slowly and steadily. Really though, from the bottom, we are moving up. You'll see that from this point here, we're up from 126 to 130, and from this point here, we're up from 123 to 130 as well. So you'll see we are seeing movements up from the absolute bottoms, but obviously when you zoom out to the past month, or even better, the 6 month, you will see how high this one has gone and how low it is starting to drop. Now, coming to the technical chart and a few things become more clear. One thing is this sell-off action is kind of slowing down. Yes, we're still dropping, but it does appear to hopefully be finding a bottom right now, which is a very good sign. Now, does this mean that we're going to have a push up again in the near future? It is honestly quite hard to say, and I think that is what we need to remember. Now, you guys will know I do like to look for a few things when identifying the potential for a push up. The first and main one is usually going to be the volume and the catalyst, because catalysts are always going to be a big thing, but volume is really an indicator of where the price is going. Because high volume on a daily basis shows that more people are buying, more people are selling, more people are thinking about the stock, and more people are ultimately trading it, which is a good thing. And like I said, it does influence moves, and that is what we want to see going forwards. But recently though, especially in the past month, and even zooming out to the past 3, you'll see that the volume for this stock has been dropping significantly. At our highs, we can see volume went as high as this figure here at 300 plus million, 386, and again coming down now to a point where we have in volume figures on Friday of 1.87 million. Now this slightly lower than average figure is to be expected, because you guys will remember on Friday we did have a shortened day, and this is due to the celebrations regarding Thanksgiving. But yeah, the volume recently has still been very low. This is also clear on the 5 day and really clear on the 1 month. As you will see, these candlesticks are going from a point where they were quite visible to being basically invisible because volume is so low. So going forwards, we want to see volume come back into this one. We really want to try to see the stock hold its current level in the 120s up to the 130s. Again, that would be a really nice bottom to see a bounce off that. But what I'm looking for now is going to be some volume to come back into it, because that would of course potentially drive the price up. It's really simple, but my opinion is, would I buy MARK, should I say, would I buy MARK right now? Personally, I would not buy it right now. Again, this is not because I hate the company, and this is just because it's very similar to what I said with MARK. It's not because I hate the company, it's because what we're seeing is a continued sell-off and a continued drop in volume. Will volume come back in the future? It absolutely may. And of course, if it does start to come back in, would my opinion change? Again, it could definitely change. But from my personal view and my approach to risk, I do not think this is a best buy right now. It may be coming near to the bottom, but the question is, how much upside does it have? And right now, whilst it may have upside, I cannot see it rocketing in the next few days, in the next week. Again, I hope that the charts prove me wrong. I hope this one goes to the moon immediately. But of course, from where I'm standing, I would not buy it from my personal risk approach and risk management strategy. Just my thoughts though, so please do what you guys think is right, and tell me what you think is right in the comment section because I want to hear what you have to say. But thank you for watching this short video, and I will see you all again in another one very soon. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.